Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix mouse moving on its own direction in Windows 10. First method is type main.cpl in Windows search bar. Click main.cpl. Click Power Options. Uncheck Hide Pointer while typing. Click Apply, OK. Second method is type main.cpl in browser search bar. Click main.cpl. Click Pointer Options. Select a pointer speed to middle position. Click Apply, OK. Third method is type main.cpl Windows search bar. Click main.cpl. Click Pointer Options. Uncheck Enhance Pointer Precision. Click Apply, OK. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.